We've built a lot of tiny house trailers over the years, over 12,000 actually, but none quite like this. This trailer started with our legendary standard frame, the one that's become the foundation of tiny living across the country. IRC-certified, lifetime warranty, engineered for real homes, not RV parks. But this time, we wanted more. A challenge, a stretch, a way to push the limits of what's possible on wheels. This is TrailerMade's first ever slide-out tiny house trailer, built from the ground up to support a full structural expansion, engineered to extend, lock, seal, and support an actual moving wall, while still hitting the road like every other home we build. It's not just steel, it's smarter steel. We reinforced the subframe, rebalanced the weight, pre-routed space for seals, insulation, and trim, and set the stage for the first ever off-grid hydraulic slide room in a true tiny house. Every inch of this trailer was designed with intention, so that one day, when the house is finished, it'll open wide to the world with more livable space, more light, and more freedom. It's not an RV. It's not a travel trailer. It's a residential tiny house foundation with a twist. We didn't copy this design. We built it, from the first weld to the final bolt. And now that we've done it once, we're ready to do it again. Whether you're a dreamer, a designer, or a builder looking for something different, we've proven it can be done, and we've got the blueprint. When you're ready to go beyond the standard, we're right here, ready to build it with you.